Alright, 9th standard. The next exercise that we are going to do is exercise 13.6, which is based on volume of cylinder. We have already written the formula for volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height. Based on that, let us do a few questions from exercise 13.6, and again we will be doing the easier questions first and then we will move to the harder ones. So the first question that I'm taking up is the first question of the exercise. It's a direct question. The circumference of base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeters and the height is 25 centimeters. How many liters of water can it hold? Now, question is how many liters of water it can hold. For this, we need to find out the volume. The volume will be converted into liters. To find out the volume of cylinder, the formula that I will use needs values of R and H. We do have the value of H, but we do not have the value of R. Instead of the base radius, I have the base circumference. So I will use this first, the base circumference, to find out the radius. Then we will apply the formula for the volume of cylinder. So question number 1, the circumference of base. Circumference is represented by capital C, or you can use small c. Circumference of base is given as 132 centimeters. So if the cylinder has a base radius r and height h, then the base circumference will be 2 pi r, because the base is a circle. For circle, the circumference is given by 2 pi r. The value is 132. The value of pi will be 22 by 7. Solving. Transpose these constants to the right hand side. Simplifying. So the radius comes out to be 21 centimeters. Along with this, the height of the cylinder is given as 25 centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the vessel is pi r square h. The vessel is cylindrical in shape. Using the values of r and h, simplifying, multiply and get your answer. So the answer comes out to be 34,650 centimeter cube. Because the radius and height are in centimeters, the answer is in centimeter cube, but I have to find out the answer in liters. And for that, what they have given to me, the relation between centimeter cube and liters. Now what they have given is, they have given 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So from here, if we apply the unitary method, 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 by 1000 liters. So if you're converting centimeter cube to liters, you have to divide by 1000. So 34,650 divided by 1000, the units change and become liters. So this gives your answer as 34.65 liters. This is the capacity of the vessel. After this, let's do question number 3. Let's take a look at the question. Question number 3 again is a direct question. There is a soft drink available in 2 packs. The first one is a tin can with a rectangular base. So a tin can with a rectangular base, length and width and the height are given. So length, breadth and height. That means the tin is cuboidal in shape. So the first packing is cuboidal. Second, a plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter 7 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Now the second packing is cylindrical in shape. Which container has greater capacity and by how much? To find out the capacity, you need to find out the volume of the two packings and then compare them and see which container has greater capacity and by how much. Let's solve the answer. So I'll be doing it side by side, container 1 and container number 2. This container is cuboidal in shape and this container is a cylinder in shape. Let's apply the formula. So volume will be given by LBH using the values. The length is 5, width is 4 and the height is 15, and all of these are in centimeters, so the volume will be in centimeter cube. This will be 300 centimeter cube. Let's do for the cylinder. For the cylinder, the radius is not given. You've been given the diameter. The diameter is 7 centimeters, which means the radius is 7 by 2 centimeters. Height is given as 10 centimeters. Let's find out the volume. Pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. Square of the radius, 7 by 2 squared, into the height is 10. Let's simplify and see what the answer is. So this is what I get. Pi, radius into height. Simplifying. This is 11 into 35. This will be 385 centimeter cube. Now for the first container, the volume came out to be 300, and for the second container it's 385. So you can write the answer. Container number 2 has greater capacity, the cylindrical one. And then you have to find out by how much, and for that you have to find the difference. So that would be 385 minus 300 equals to 85 centimeter cube. So this is the difference between their volumes, and hence you have your answer. After question number 3, we are doing fourth question. Question number 4. Let's take a look. The lateral surface area of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeters square and its height is 5 centimeters. Find the radius of the base and its volume. So you have to do two things. Using the lateral surface area and height, you have to find out the radius. This is something which we did in 13.2. After this, you have to find out the volume. For the volume of cylinder, we need the radius and the height. Height is given, radius we will be calculating in first part. Now in this case, pi is given as 3.14. So make sure you use pi as 3.14 and not 22 by 7. So we've been given the lateral surface area of cylinder, and usually for a cylinder, because the surface is curved, the lateral surface is curved, it's not lateral surface area, we call it the curved surface area. This is given as 94.2 centimeters square. So the curved surface area of cylinder is given by 2 pi r h. The value is 94.2. Using the values given, pi is 3.14, the radius is missing, height is given as 5 centimeters. The units are all same, so we need not worry. Now it's all simplification. This becomes, changing the decimal number into a fraction, same on right hand side. So these will get cancelled. You can simplify yourself, taking these numbers to the right hand side. These get cancelled and this gets cancelled by 3. So r comes out to be 3 centimeters. Now the next step is to find out the volume. So this was the first part where we use the lateral surface area and height to find out the radius. In the second part, we have to find out the volume of cylinder. The volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h. Pi is 3.14 into 3 square into the height is 5. So simplifying, 3.14 into 9 into 5. The answer comes out to be 141.3 centimeter cube. After this question, we are going to do 8th question. Let's take a look at the statement. Question number 8. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 centimeter. So the soup is being served in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 centimeters. It will not be a bowl, actually it would be a glass. So cylinder shape is actually glass. If the bowl is filled with the soup to a height 4 centimeters, this will be the height. How much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? So what we will do, we will find out the volume of soup in one vessel or one bowl and then multiply it with 250. Again, pi is not indicated, so pi will be 22 by 7. Let's find out the answer. So for the vessel which is cylindrical in shape, the radius is, the base diameter is 7 centimeters. This means radius is 7 by 2. The height up to which the soup is filled is 4 centimeters. So volume of soup in one bowl, or the volume of soup served to one patient, this will be given by pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7 by 2 squared into the height is 4. So this is the volume of soup served to one patient, and we need to find out the volume of soup served to the volume of soup served to 250 patients. So volume of soup served to 250 patients, this answer will be multiplied with 250. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 to 7 by 2 into 4 into 250. Simplify this and obtain your answer. So simplifying further, I get 22 by 7 into 49 by 4 into 4 into 250. These get cancelled, these get cancelled, so I'm left with 22 into 7 into 250. This will tell me what my answer is. On multiplication, the answer comes out to be 38,500 centimeter cube, and they have not particularly asked to calculate the answer in any units, so you could leave your answer till here, or you can convert the answer into liters if you want, because I think at the end of your textbook the answer has been given in liters as well. So as for now, this is your answer, 38,500 centimeter cube. This is the amount of soup the hospital needs to prepare to serve 250 patients every day.